The wise see knowledge and action as one. They see truly.
Just like Henry Ford took the carriage of the American highway and replaced it with a car, our dream was to give the average Indian access to modern healthcare. Today only 30% of Indians have access to modern medicine, and our dream is to find a way to dramatically increase that. We have two initiatives in healthcare, Piramal eSwasth as well as HMRI. We have recently consolidated it and calling it Piramal Swasth.
HMRI was born out of a project that we did in urban slums of Hyderabad when there was an epidemic of chikungunya.
HMRI aims at providing primary health care to the remotest of regions, and we are operational in Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra.
In Assam, we are actually going to around 3,500 villages, which is a population of approximately 62 lakhs.
We found out of the 6.5 million supposedly living in rural areas, including towns, close to 42 million, that's 4.2 crores, were living beyond 3 kilometers. That means these people are not accessing the primary health center.
What we do is we go to a village, we set up a camp through our Sanjeevani vans, which is equipped with various kind of equipments. These has, something like a blood pressure machine. We have the random blood sugar checking mechanism.
पहले 500 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है, समय ज़्यादा लगता है और जो बस फेयर लगता है, अभी इधर में आने का बाद बहुत अच्छा होता है.
A village get one service a month irrespective of what happens, whether it's a storm, a cyclone, a flood, any kind of an earthquake or whatever happens, we make it a point to go and serve the village. This is kind of in pursuit of reaching to the last mile, and we are trying our best to do that.
And now this Sanjeevani system and their analysis and diagnosis of the patients, it is very useful and very necessary and very good system of rural health.
পিছত যেতিয়া সঞ্জীৱনী গাড়ীখন আহিলে মোৰ বিৰাট ঘৰতে জ্বৰ হ'ল গাড়ীখন অহাৰ পিছত ঔষধ পাতি দিয়াৰ পিছত মই নিজে ভাল পাই গৈছোঁ.
As far as the call center is concerned, the call center is named Sarthi. Is the Sarthi 104 as it is popularly known in Assam.
Calls we are handling on an average around 4,000 to 4,500 calls every day.
We are receiving calls on fever, cold, cough, back pain, and some calls regarding pregnancy and all.
Our calls related to psychosexual problems, depressions, anxiety, neurosis, emotional disorders, that is some adjustment problems, dowry demands, schizophrenic cases, OCD.
And wherever it is possible, we give just preliminary dose OTC medicines. Otherwise, we advise them where they should go, whom they should contact.
Apart from this, in Andhra Pradesh, we are also doing a telemedicine center in Araku Valley, where 142 villages our paramedics go to.
Actually, Araku is terrain is hilly terrain and very forest area. 80% of the population is tribal population. Through HMRI, our objective is to reduce maternal mortality and morbidity through technology-based initiative. Here, on an average, every habitation is 5 kilometers away, where Bolero cannot go, even two-wheelers cannot go. They should come only by walk or trekking.
మన అంటే 1 monthకి 1 or 2 times వస్తున్నాం మేము. వాళ్ళు 1 time ఎప్పుడో వస్తారు, చూసి మామూలుగా వెళ్ళిపోతారు. మనం అందించిన సేవ అయితే వాళ్ళు అందించలేదు అంతగా. టోటల్ మేము అన్నీ రాసుకొని ఇక్కడ నుండి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు మొత్తం యాంటీనేటల్ కేర్, పోస్ట్నేటల్ కేర్ చెప్తాం అన్నమాట. చెప్పి నెక్స్ట్ డే వాళ్ళని మన వెహికల్ వస్తుంది, వెహికల్ వచ్చి వస్తుందని చెప్పి వీళ్ళని రెడీగా ఉండమని చెప్తాం.
Our Bolero will go there and they will wait for the beneficiaries to come. After they come, he will get the beneficiaries to the TMC.
తీసుకెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ అక్కడ టెస్టులన్నీ చేసి స్కానింగ్ గట్రా అన్నీ తీసి మళ్ళీ మధ్యాహ్నం భోజనం పెట్టి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ డ్రాప్ చేస్తున్నాం.
Our lab technician will do all in cell counter and chem master. We will take a general antenatal checkup. We will check out for height of uterus. After that, we will keep for telemedicine conference through specialist in Hyderabad. In this 1.5 year, we gave up to 111 DICE training in local habitations.
ఎక్కడ పడితే చెత్త కుప్పల్లోను కానీ ఎక్కడ ఒక ఇల్లు సైట్న కానీ అలాగా డెలివరీ చేసేవాళ్ళము. మొత్తం ఇచ్చేమో మాకు ఇల్లు శుభ్రంగా చేసుకోవాలి, డెలివరీ చేసేటప్పుడు తోలేమి ఉండకూడదు అనేసి ఇచ్చేమో అవి మామూలు మళ్ళీ గిన్నెల్లోకి ఇచ్చారు. దారము, బొడ్డు తడ కట్టడానికి దారము, బ్లేడు అవి ఇచ్చారు. అవేమో సార్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టుగా మేము ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చారు అక్కడ.
We had real innovation like Doc in a Box, which is a doctor inside a box. To me, it is a most wonderful discovery.
It is a device which consists of BP, SpO2, pulse rate, temperature, and also ECG.
So a paramedic can capture all the data that is needed, and if one has bandwidth, can connect up to a doctor. We call anytime doctor, anywhere patient.
Piramal Swasth is a social enterprise which was started by Piramal Healthcare Limited. Our vision is to democratizing healthcare by providing quality and affordable healthcare to the far-flung rural population of Rajasthan. We look for a locally literate woman in the village, and we train her and provide her with a kit and equipments. She acts as a link between patient in a village and a doctor in a call center.
पहले तो कुछ भी नहीं जानते थे. टेम्परेचर लेना, जैसे तापमान लेना, बीपी चेक करना, वजन लेना, नब्ज देखना, ये सब ट्रेनिंग में बताया था.
Patients come to these nurses take down the symptoms and then relay these symptoms over the phone.
वैसे जोड़ों में दर्द है, सर कमर में भी दर्द है, पेट भी फुला फुला रहता है.
Where somebody inputs it into a call center where you get a response with a prescription and a treatment.
यहाँ के मरीज आमतौर पर वैसे खांसी, जुखाम, बुखार, चमड़ी रोग, लिकोरिया की बीमारी ऐसे मरीज आते हैं. क्या है कि प्रचार प्रसार के बाद, होम विजिट करने के बाद लोगों में जागृति पैदा हो गई कि हाँ वास्तव में, और मरीजों का अच्छा इलाज हुआ, तब मरीजों के द्वारा मरीज आने लग गए.
As of now, we have treated more than 50,000 patients.
समय का सदुपयोग हुआ है और गांव में एक नई पहचान बनी है पिरामल स्वास्थ्य की तरफ से.
And finally, speed and scale. We recommend that the governments think big, start small, scale fast.
Anywhere where you can apply modern technology and management, you can help solve problems.